Hello everyone. Today we are gonna know about this run blocking. What is this run blocking here? Run blocking is simply a coroutine function. By not providing any context, we would not provide any type of context to this run blocking. It will get run on the main thread and it always runs on the main thread here, so we can't use it in any other thread. Runs a new coroutine, blocks the coroutine thread interruptible until its completion. It will run a new coroutine function like a set of block, and then the current thread is interruptible, means we can't use the UI of the app when it is completing the function here. This function should not be used from a coroutines. It means that we can't use it from any other coroutines like coroutine.io, coroutine.main or anything, because it is simply a bridge here. It is designed to bridge regular blocking code to libraries that are written in suspending style, means we can block anything using this to be used in main function and in test. It is always using in the main function, main thread here. So let's go to Android Studio and implement this. Alright, now we are in Android Studio and we would do it in this on create here. We can use it using RU and run blocking here. Run blocking. Alright, and you can see this is a coroutine scope here. We don't need to provide it any coroutine scope, and we don't need to use it in any coroutine scope here. Check the documentation of this. You can check by look at this. Runs a new coroutine and blocks the current thread. It is used in the main thread here now, so it would block this current thread until its completion. It would block this. The function should not be used from a coroutine. It is designed to bridge regular blocking code to libraries that are written in suspending style to be used, as I told you in this. Alright, now how you would get to know what does it mean here. If you use here a delay function here, delay, and let me provide a 5000 millisecond. So look at this, it is giving error. Why? Because we need to use it either in the suspend function or in this run blocking function here, like this. Cut this and paste it here, so it is not providing any type of error. Let me print out log messages here, log d. Let me use before run block. All right, and here log d, start run block. Here run block started here. All right, and here again use this ended. Okay, and here paste this after run block. All right, now let me run the app. You would get to know how does it work here. How does it block the thread? Now look here, you can see it is run here, and it will take some time to run these two here. Look, it is, if you watch this one here, these two, look at these two here, these are run at same time at 54. If you look at these two here, these are executed exactly after 5 seconds here. We have delayed it here, so it is executing. It will block this thread here. These lines won't execute it until this is completed here. And if you see, we have already done this in the main thread here. How? Let me do it using this. Cut this and this one after this, and using, instead of this delay, we have used thread dot sleep here, and this 5000 milliseconds, so it would work exactly the same. So why do we need it here? Because we are using coroutine here now, so you can use this. Look at this coroutine scope, so because of this we are using it. We can also do it in this main thread, but I don't want to do it. We want to use this coroutine thread here. Alright, now this delete this, and instead of this delay this function here. Alright, now this is done. And how we can create another coroutines in this, if we want to run the coroutine here, so how do we do that here? So for that you just need to type a launch here. You don't need to provide anything else. Look at this, just launch here. Let me use here input and output one, dispatches.io. Alright, and here pass a delay, pass 3 seconds here, and again this one. Alright, and print a message here, log d. Alright, and here coroutine 1 here. Print this message again here, coroutine 2 here. These two would execute at same line here. Now let me run the app. You would see what does happen here now. If I create this launch here, run this app now. Now you can see here these all lines are executed and these two are executed after this. Now you can see here these lines, the whole these are executed at this 46 at the same time. And here after 3 seconds, exactly after 3 seconds, we have passed this 3 seconds to both of these, but this won't take 6 seconds. It would take this 3 seconds once. Look, this is 46 and this, look, these both are 49 here. These both are executed at the same time here. After this we have passed 5 seconds here, so it is not taking the same 5 seconds. It is taking this 5 seconds from this 46 here, which we have passed it here. Run block started before run block here. It is starting the 5 second delay, which is blocking that. It after the before run block here. Why? Because this is on another thread here. This is not in this run block. It does not block these. Okay. Alright, I hope you understand this. You got to know how to use run blocking and why do we need it. And there is also another question, that why do we need to use that run block here? Why don't we use our suspend function? But because the suspend function does not block the UI, and run block here block the UI, and sometimes we need it. Alright, and if this video was helpful, so please hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel. Click on the bell icon to get regular updates. Thank you.